In this video, we compare HS440 Foldable FPV Drone and Potensic ATOM SE Drone. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The Holy Stone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone is a versatile device equipped with a 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera that offers a wide-angle lens for capturing stunning aerial scenery. With a robust modular battery, the drone provides an extended flight time of up to 20 minutes, allowing you to explore and capture more of your surroundings. Despite its compact size, the HS440 is packed with intuitive and advanced features and comes with a handy carrying case for easy portability. The HS440 drone ensures a streamlined and safer operation with features like automatic takeoff and precise hovering, along with the excitement of one-key high-speed rotation. The drone is perfect for beginners, boasting intelligent functions such as emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold, alongside user-friendly features like long flight time. Priced at $84.99, the HS440 drone promises a new adventure with every flight, making it an excellent value for money. The Potensic ATOM SE Drone, weighing less than 249 grams, offers an impressive level of wind resistance and features a foldable design for easy portability. The drone is equipped with a 4K EIS camera featuring a 1/3-inch Sony sensor for high-quality image capture and video recording. The ATOM SE drone is beginner-friendly with its SurgeFly flight control system, offering 3 different flight modes. The drone comes with 2 intelligent batteries, offering a total flight time of 62 minutes. The drone boasts a control range of up to 4K meters thanks to the PicSync 2.0 technology, ensuring stable and consistent video in most shooting conditions. The ATOM SE drone comes with the precise GPS auto-return feature and multiple flight modes, enhancing the overall flight experience. The Holy Stone HS440 and the Potensic ATOM SE are both foldable drones designed with beginners in mind, offering a range of features to facilitate easy and safe flying. The HS440, with its 1080p HD camera, captures high-quality aerial views, while the ATOM SE, featuring a 4K EIS camera with a Sony sensor, provides superior image capture and video recording. In terms of flight time, the HS440 offers up to 20 minutes topped, while the ATOM SE outperforms with a total flight time of 62 minutes from its 2 intelligent batteries. The HS440 is priced at $84.99, making it a more budget-friendly option compared to the ATOM SE, which is priced at $229.99. However, the ATOM SE offers a longer control range of up to 4 kilometers compared to the HS440. Both drones have safety features such as auto-return and multiple flight modes, but the ATOM SE additionally offers the SurgeFly flight control system with 3 different flight modes. Ultimately, the choice between the two drones may depend on specific user needs and budget considerations.